Learning to code in 2026 is nothing like it used to be.
If you start the wrong way, you are going to waste months of your life on the wrong path. Back in the day, we had to debug every single line ourselves.
Today, AI can generate full apps in minutes. It looks amazing on the surface, but here's the trap. Most beginners are building projects they don't actually understand.
They are copy-pasting their way into a career dead end. If you can't explain why the code works, you will never pass the technical interview.
Here is your roadmap. Step 1. Pick a specific goal, like getting a tech job or building a startup. Step 2. Follow a structured 6-month roadmap. Pick one stack, like backend or AI engineering, and go deep. Don't pivot every 2 weeks. Step 3. Test yourself. Turn off the AI, rebuild your projects from memory, and quiz your own logic. Use AI as a tutor, not a crutch. Master the fundamentals, think critically, and build real tools. That is how you win in 2026. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment your learning goals below.